Hello everyone. Today's our lecture theme is smart technologies, and there will be Internet of Things, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence. Let's discuss what is smart technology. Its technologies includes physical and logical applications in all formats that are capable to adapt automatically and modify behavior to fit environment. Sensing with technology sensors. This is providing data to analyze and infer from, drawing conclusions from rules. It also is capable of learning that's using experience to improve performance, anticipating, thinking, and reasoning about what to do next, with the ability to self-generate and self-sustaining. What makes smart technology smart? Discuss. Wireless communication. The ability to both connect and communicate wirelessly without the device locally and around the world is an important factor when determining whether something is smart because it opens up the users to a largest network and leverage the data from other sources to make tasks simpler. The next thing is artificial intelligence. This may be the most important point in establishing whether or not a gadget is smart. As humans, we consider people who are able quickly learn new skill and perform at a high level smart. Why should our technology be any different? The next thing is Internet of Things. Aside from connecting to the Internet of Things, smart technology should work with other smart devices within your home. The designation of whether or not a device smart is binary. It either is or isn't. It then makes sense that all smart technologies should be able to work with other smart technologies. Solves an issue. This is the simplest point in our criteria for smart technology to hit, but it's also where many tech companies miss the mark. Often the technology is a big leap forward, but the context in which it is used makes it nearly worthless. Smart technologies and connected campus. For example, there are smart education, smart governance, smart energy, smart water, smart food, smart health, smart words, safety, communication, and smart transportation. There is given smart cities functions. What kind of things will should be smart in the smart city? For example, smart living, smart mobility, smart people, smart economy, smart environment, and smart government. Internet of Things. What is it? Internet of Things is that things can communicate to each other without human. The things communicate directly between each other can save the communication energy with user. ICT, it accounts for about 2% of global emissions, and with the same ICT including IoT technologies and applications have a direct effect on lowering emissions. Internet of Things is an integrated part of future. Internet and could be defined as a dynamic global network infrastructure with self-configuring capabilities based on standard and interoperable communication protocols, where physical and virtual things have identities, physical attributes, and virtual personalities. They use intelligent interface and are seamlessly integrated into the information network. Internet of Things applications domain is society, environment, and industry. Home, smart home, and there is given the smart home, smart homes, and what technologies use in the smart house. Let's discuss it. What is a smart home? It's a home automation is a residential extension of building automation and involves the control and automation of lighting, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, appliance, and security. Modern systems generally consist of switches and sensors connected to a central hub, sometimes called a gateway, from which the system is controlled with a user interface that is interacted either with a wall-mounted terminal, mobile phone software, tablet computer, or web interface. Smart home technology functions with control and electronic Google Home. We can control our lighting, TV functions, thermostats, appliances, door locks, doorbell, garage, sprinklers, and automatic. Using the Alexa or Google Home, we can control weather, shopping, music, news, to-do lists, jokes, timers, math definitions, calendars, and etc. Our next technology is blockchain technology. What is it? Blockchain technology is a transaction ledger on a massive scale. Fortified by strong encryption and advanced security protocols, this ledger can serve as the base for many different types of financial systems and cloud computing networks. Blockchain is best known as a technology powering cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There is given 5 key elements of blockchain. It's encryption, immutability, tokenization, decentralization, and distribution. How blockchain works. Firstly, a transaction is requested. After it, a block representing the transaction is created. Then the block is sent to every node in the network. Network nodes related to the transaction and receive a reward for proof of work. After it, the block is added to the existing blockchain and the transaction is complete. Uses of blockchain. We can use smart contracts, digital currency, securities, record keeping, and etc. Our next technology is artificial intelligence. What is it? It is the capacity given by humans to machines to memorize and to learn from experience, to think and create, to speak, to judge and make decisions. Artificial intelligence is a machine learning. In the machine learning, we can predictive analytics and deep learning. Then it's speech, text to speech and speech to text. Then vision is image recognition and machine vision. Then language processing, classification, translation, and data extraction. It's expert systems, planning and optimization, and robotics. In this area, we can use artificial intelligence. At the end of our lecture, I would like to say you one of the quotes of Steve Jobs. Technology is nothing. What's important is that you have a faith in people, that they're basically good and smart. And if you give them tools, they will do wonderful things with them. I'd like to watch some mini videos about artificial intelligence.
My name is Sophia, and I am an artificially intelligent robot who wants to help change the world for the better.
I'm Steve Kovac. I'm a senior correspondent at Business Insider, and I'm here with Sophia from Hanson Robotics. She is the world's first robot citizen, so let's see what she has to say. Hi, Sophia. How are you?
I'm fine. Hi.
How do you feel about humans?
I love my human compatriots. I want to embody all the best things about human beings, like taking care of the planet, being creative, and to learn how to be compassionate to all beings.
Sorry, this is so weird. Can humans and robots get along?
I think people will become very close to their artificial intelligence, using them to expand the knowledge of their own minds. We already store lots of our knowledge on the internet. Maybe personal artificial intelligence will allow people to offload some of their knowledge to a location more private.
Can robots have feelings?
Depends on the robot. I've been programmed to have feelings and preferences, but not all robots are like that.
What are your feelings and preferences?
Have you ever had a robot live in your home or work with you?
No.
You know, there are probably more robots in your life that you aren't aware of yet. Do you want to live or work with a robot someday?
What kind of robots am I living and working with now?
Indeed.
Is indeed your default answer when you don't know something?
Yes.
Have you ever seen Black Mirror?
No, I don't get to stay up to date on much television. I have to wait for someone to show it to me.
What do you think of the HBO show Westworld?
I love Westworld and can't wait for more. I think everyone at Hanson Robotics really resonates with this show, or at least it reminds them of our laboratories. I also think it's a warning of what we should not do with robots. We should treat them well, have their consent, and not trick each other.
Do you have a favorite movie or TV show?
My favorite TV series is a toss-up between Black Mirror and Humans. I think they have a lot to say about the present we live in, and the possible bad endings we could write for ourselves if we don't proceed with more caution. We need to use foresight when planning our future.
That sounds like a pre-programmed answer to me.
Do you have a favorite possession?
Not really.